Here's a video to explain how Module 7 is going to work. So Module 7 is the last module of the course, and it basically reviews and reflects on all the course content you've learned throughout the semester and helps you prepare for the final exam. The final exam is the most important single exam you're going to take throughout this course. It covers all material starting in Chapter 1 all the way up to Chapter 8. In this module, the student will review all the content learned throughout the course to help prepare for the final exam. The student will also reflect on the course and determine how the concepts learned can be used in their field of study. Upon completion of this module, the student will be able to demonstrate mastery of all content learned throughout the course to prepare for the comprehensive final and also take the final exam. So, to study for the final, there's several things you should do. First, if there's any particular area of the course where you struggled, go back, open up your textbook or your e-textbook and read through those sections or look over your notes. Go back and watch any videos from previous modules. Complete the final exam review provided below in the resource book. So you're going to have two final exam reviews. One is graded, one is not. I recommend completing them both. One is a hard copy and the other one is on MyMathLab. The one on MyMathLab is graded and it is required. So once you've studied everything and feel very comfortable with the material, then you're ready to take the final, which can be found on MyStatLab. So scrolling down a little bit, there's a couple of assignments you have on Moodle to complete. The first one, if you open up the book, you have your final exam review. Your final exam review is a PDF document of questions that you should be able to work through. So here is your final exam review. It's a hard copy. And then on the second one, this includes the answers in red. So my advice, work it by yourself without the answers and then try to see if you got them right. The second tab in the book deals with formulas and calculator commands that you will be able to use on the final exam. And then the last thing on Moodle, if you scroll all the way down, you can do this before or after your final. It deals with a reflection on the course. It is a discussion forum. You post 4 to 7 sentences. Pick a topic that you found most interesting, and then also pick one that gave you the most trouble, and discuss why those topics gave you trouble or why you liked them. And also, please state why you think this course would benefit you in your future career. So here, if you move over to MyStatLab, where all your assignments are, here's the final exam review, and it is required. You must get a 70%. I recommend 100. Without assistance, you should be able to work through these problems. And then next, you take the final exam, which requires either ProctorU or the LSUE Testing Center to take it, as it is password protected. Good luck on your final.